Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what are the messages for the month of July for you. And as these are general readings, won't be resonating with each and every one, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what is the overall energy for Virgos for the month of July. Overall energies for the month of July for Virgos. Three of Swords. So a lot of pain, agony, tension, heartbreak. Let's see what that is. So why is this Three of Swords here for Virgos? Let's see what that is. So for the Three of Swords, we have the Moon, the Six of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the King of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Eight of Wands, Hierophant, and the King of Wands. So there has been a situation which is really troubling you, okay, and it is causing a lot of, as if emotions, so much overwhelming of the emotions that it's getting too emotional for you to take it in your stride. Sort of you feel emotionally drowned and sort of depressed, not exactly, but then yes, a little bit of that situation is there, and it's, you feel very low, you're feeling really very low, but then you are working on yourself with the Queen of Wands. You're releasing, trying to come out of this heartbreak basically. So whatever this cause of anxiety and heartbreak is, you are just you really don't know what to do and what not, how to, what you will do next, what, you don't have any plans, you don't know how to sort of not exactly, you know that you have to come out of it, but you really don't know what to do, what is the path ahead, you really don't know how to move ahead in life, and what will be my next move. Sort of things are not really planned, and you are not even able to see as to uh, see the future, what the future is lying ahead. Then but then you are working on yourself with the Queen of Wands. You are really wanting, putting in an effort and investing in yourself to deal with this pain, whatever this pain is, whatever this heartbreak is for you, whatever this is, you are trying to release it as with maximum effort, I should say. Okay, you are doing your best to overcome this heartbreak. Okay, and we have the King of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Three of Swords once again. So definitely there is a lot of pain here, there is a lot of agony, and to me it looks like it's regarding a family matter here, it's regarding a long-term relationship, it's regarding a commitment over here, which perhaps has not happened. It's not working out, I should say, not happened, but it has happened. It was a stable commitment, but what I feel is it can be the clash of egos, or maybe you, both of you are busy in your own worlds. Somehow what I get it is both of you are turning your back to each other, busy in your own worlds, perhaps happy professionally, because I really deep within, maybe at least you're showing that to the world or trying to do that. Okay, maybe you are trying to deal with the pain and not showing the pain to each other or to anyone. But what I feel here is it is both of you turning your backs to each other, but both of you are happy in your own world, both of you are perhaps busy, or busy in your own world, happy in your own world. There are things which are, it can be the, both of you are at a powerful place as far as your finances, your stability and your status is concerned. Okay, so that way there is no issue here, that's what I feel. And what I feel is somehow maybe you people are turning your back to each other for this reason. It can be a temporary breakup also, I don't know it's a permanent thing, but it can be temporarily, this is a phase, at least for now, that you, but because what I feel here is that individually both of you are happy. That's what, maybe you are not happy together, but individually you are happy. Oh my god. And you are thinking about the fond times and the happy times you spent with each other, the family time you've spent, the quality time you spent. It's something like that. It's causing a lot of agony and heartbreak, that's for sure. But what I feel here is that I think you will be able to talk it over somehow. You will be able to talk it over and perhaps even solve it, because somebody really has, either one of you has a lot of passion and will make a move. That's what I feel. So whatever this situation is, somebody will, I think, talk it over and stabilize it once again. So you will be able to get back together. That's what I feel. And you will be able to save this relationship, because one of you at least will make a move. That's what I feel. And you will be able to sort it out and save this relationship. That's what I feel. Gee, the magician has flipped out already. That means a new beginning. Let's see what that was. Again, the king of spades. So kings and queens, and then the king of wands. So it can be some sort of a ego problem, or maybe one of you is too dominating or something like that. It can be that also. But then we do have a new beginning here. Let's see what is this guidance from the angels. Guardian of abundance. This is a time of great success for you. All your plans are blessed and will move forward perfectly. Unexpected job opportunities arise in the near future. Make sure to accept them. This card indicates that someone with an amazing career is involved in the situation. This is a powerful person with great integrity who enjoys hard work. This person could be you. So that's what I'm saying. Maybe it is because of the work or something like that, which is related to that. People, both of you are busy in your own world, and that is why temporarily this situation is at stake. It can be that also. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and I'll be exploring this reading further on Patreon. The link of that is given in the description box below, so you can click the link and follow me there on Patreon. And else, if you choose to be here only on YouTube, then thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.